could drive as well as CJ, man, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Hey, homie, what's up?
Hey, what you saying about me, fool?
What's up, man?
I'm saying that the East Coast made you drive like an idiot, fool. Man, you always crashing cars and shit. And for some reason now you back. All it is CJ drive here, CJ drive there. Bullshit.
Man, why don't you just take it easy?
No disrespect, man, but you can't drive for shit.
Thanks, man. Nah. Say what you really mean.
You such a good gunman, homie. You gotta ride shotgun. Show CJ what's cracking.
Hey, you know something? You right. Yeah, CJ, you can drive, homie.
He's tripping.
Who you think you touching, homeboy? Where we going, homie?
Rolling Heights, Ballers Country.
Do us a little drive-by, huh? You know something, matter of fact, you our chauffeur for this little gig. Come on.
G, thanks, G.
Just don't drive like no fool.
Man, you gotta ease up some. Yeah, Ballers Turf. You dogs ready?
Yeah, for sure, I'm ready.
Carl, just concentrate on the driving, and we'll take care of the shooting.
Listen to the man, fool, and try not to park us up a tree or something.
Yeah, if the car stops, we dead meat. Move it, CJ.
Let's go!
We iced them, CJ. Let's hunt down some more.
Stab out of here, CJ.
Man, they trying to get us popped.
Speed up a little, we stick. I ain't gonna say I told you so.
What you waiting for, CJ? Find us some more ballers so we can cap.
Move it, CJ. Smash on it, Carl, smash! CJ, you asshole.
You want me to smash you now?
Rollers on my case, CJ.
You a comedian, asshole? You want a fair one, asshole?
CJ, I
get all
warned you.
choked up every time I had to say this. I just want to be friends.
You punk ass bitch!
Record sales.
Jack Sweet.
103.9.
Get out my feet.
Yeah, Grove is back, man. Grove is back.
Yeah, for sure. They was slipping, man.
Man, I'm shocked you ain't get us killed, CJ. Let me check myself. Am I dead?
Hey, Carl, ignore that motherfucker. You did good today. You're down with the Grove and the Ballers know it. So watch yourself from now on, CJ.
Yeah, for sure. You know that. I'll see y'all later.
Here, take this. Go get yourself some beers.